Morning everyone, my name is Sarthak. I tell one story. Mittu and the yellow mango. One day Mittu was flying in the sky. He was flying, flying, la 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 la, flying, flying, ha 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 ha. He was feeling very hungry. He saw a big yellow mango on a tree. He flew down to eat the yellow mango, but what